n'attendais plus rien et je désespérais.
As we first met in the story, but I liked your first station is
She said I'll always be the lucky one, and she's the one that gets betrayed. She says the things I do are not like her, and that is why she got away. I know the worst thing is my trembling mind.
What a beautiful idea.